Every bad moment gives a pain. Every pain gives a lesson. Every lesson changes a person. If you don't fight for what you want, don't cry for what you lost. Be silent, or let thy words be worth more than silence. Rest satisfied with doing well, and leave others to talk of you as they please. Who talks badly about others with you will talk badly about you with others. If you cannot have a faithful friend, be your own friend. Silence is the loudest answer. Of all things, respect yourself. Be silent, or let the silence speak for itself. A fool is known for his words, a wise man by silence. When problems comes into your life like a non-stop rain, always remember that God will always be your umbrella. A little progress each day adds up to big results. Motivate yourself. Don't listen to those who only see your mistakes. If a man is not married at 30, it means that he has not been forced to get married yet. Be happy, not because everything is good, but because you can see the good in everything. Save your heart for someone who respects you.